So this is a mouse with the two buttons. So you can see this is a mouse with the two button symbol. Okay, I created in my computer after opening the Microsoft Word document. You can create this mouse with two buttons using this keyboard shortcut. Remember 12843222. So for creating this symbol in your computer, okay, for doing this after opening your Microsoft Word in your computer, you must go to your computer keyboard and there you can see this is the number lock key. You must press this number lock. Now we have enabled the number lock. Now you can see Alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this Alt key. After that you must type this 128432 in your numeric section here. You must type that Alt code. After that you can release your finger from this Alt key and you can see that this symbol have been arrived. Mouse with the two buttons symbol of this video is very helpful for you. For more videos you can subscribe and stay with Engineers World Online. Thank you.